Today we're going to talk about subtracting integers or positive and negative numbers. And the rule that we're going to follow is keep, change, change. And I'm going to write that over here. You'll see on the left-hand side I have KCC. I'm going to write keep, change, change. So the first number we're going to keep. So if you look for this example, if you look at 3, that's a positive 3. I'm going to keep it exactly as it is. I'm going to keep a positive 3. I'm going to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. Change that to an addition sign. And then we are going to change the negative 2. So we change the subtraction to an addition. We're going to change the negative 2 to a positive 2. And then we're just going to follow our rules for adding integers. Here we have positive numbers and we're adding more positive numbers. So we get a whole lot of positive numbers. It's going to be positive 5. All right, let's try another example. Another example, if we had negative 2, and we're going to subtract negative 3. So we have to follow the keep, change, change. I'm going to write this here, KCC on top. And the negative 2, we're going to keep it. So I'm going to keep that as a negative 2. The subtraction sign, we're going to change that to a positive or an addition sign. And then the negative 3, we're going to change that to a positive 3. And now we have to follow our rules for adding integers. So I have integers, I have positive and negative. That means they don't like each other. They're going to fight. We have what I call good guys and bad guys. These are my good guys. These are my bad guys. They fight. There's more good guys. They win by 1. And they're good guys, so they're going to stay with the positive sign. If you want to think of it just as when you have different signs, you're going to subtract those numbers. And you're going to take the sign of the bigger number. So the answer to this would be positive 1. I'll do one more example. The next example is going to be 2 minus 5. Following the same rules, K, C, C. We keep the first number. So the first number is positive 2. We're going to keep it as positive 2. We're going to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then we're going to change the positive 5 to a negative 5. And again, we're following the rules for adding integers. So we have 2 positive and 5 negative. So they fight, they don't like each other. The negatives are going to win. So I know that my answer is going to be negative. Sorry about that. My answer is going to be negative. I have 3 more negatives than positives, so my answer is going to be negative 3.